Why are depression and schizophrenia is connected? Many people think that depression and schizophrenia are two very different things. One is about feeling sad, the other about hallucination and delusions. But what if they were is actually connected? In modern psychology, research are starting to see that mental illness are not separate boxes. Instead, they exist on a spectrum. For example, research shows that up to 16% of people with schizophrenia also experience symptoms of depression. They can feel empty, lose motivation, and even think about giving up. This is called depression in schizophrenia, and it's often not visible to those around them, even to people close to them who might think they seem fine. These symptoms are often internal, hidden behind a mask of silence or misunderstood behavior. German study found that people are increasingly believing that depression is part of the normal mental spectrum. But but for schizophrenia, that belief is actually decreasing. This means that the stigma around schizophrenia is still very strong and persistent. Fueled by fear, misinformation, this stigma can make life even harder for those with schizophrenia, who not only have to deal with a complex mental illness but also with being judged, avoided, or feared by others. It can prevent people from seeking help, opening up, or even receiving proper treatment. So why does this matter? Because if we see depression and schizophrenia as part of the same niche, we can be more sensitive, more quick to recognize the symptoms, and most importantly, more caring. We can become better listeners, more patient friends, and more empathic communities. We can stop saying people with schizophrenia as confused people and start by saying them as human beings who need help. Just like people, depression individuals with thoughts, emotions, stories, and struggles who deserve compassion and support.